Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video, and so happy to have you joining us. If you're a new subscriber, we want to say welcome and thank you as always for being a part of our amazing art journey. Well, we want to get started right away, so what we have here is a 15 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have a 16-ounce cup and I have some colors I'm going to be using that, of course, I'm not really sure how they're going to turn out with us. But we're going to work with them to get an abstract design that we hopefully will love. I'm going to be starting with the colors that we are using. This is the Liquitex Basics Gold. We have Arteza Pro Copper Gold, Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black, Liquitex Basics Copper, DecoArt Satin Enamel, and some Master's Touch Pearlized Red Wine, or Wine Red. We also have the Liquitex Basics Mars Black in here. We're going to begin with using colors in a cup that we're going to layer a little bit, and we are going to use some of the Liquitex Basics Black in those colors as well. We're going to be tilting these colors on our canvas. I may decide to also use a split cup as we progress with this. We will see what happens. I'll put some black here. Repeat these colors. I really wanted to put black next to that white, but that's okay. We'll get it all in. It's going to be interesting to see how this blue-black works with these more earthen-like colors. Here's where I want to put black before the red. Is what I wanted to do before, but we didn't catch it that time. But that's okay. I'll try one more layer. We'll use black as an extender where we need to. Let's see what happens with this. Looking for some special effects, looking for an abstract design that we can be proud of. Black it there now, a lot of black and red. All right, that's good with that red wine. All right, so you can see how beautiful that is. Look at those colors. Lovely. Okay, so that's going to be where we start with our cup on, but to get going with our base color, I'm going to be using, what do I want to use? Smaller cup. We'll just wipe these off. Okay, and we're going to start with this Liquitex Basics Mars Black. This is actually new to me. I mean, I have used black, but never using the Liquitex Basics brand. And so I'm just kind of curious as to how this may all play out. But again, with the tilting of the canvas, I'm just going to let it run down, giving us a foundation to start with. helping us to create, oops, I see something coming through. Got that out. Uninvited guest. Oops. Let's get that off the, there. Anything else? Okay, we will continue with this, see what happens as we go along. This is going to be our foundational color in terms of getting this started. See if we can push it on down a little further. We can tilt it as well to help it go down further. All right. Get that all moving. All the way down, and we can stop right there. All right, it will go over a little bit, and that's fine. We have our torch to pop air bubbles. And we'll work on getting more paint in here as we need it. So we're going to start with this, pouring it down. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Wow. And we can jiggle a little bit to give it a little bit of effect. Oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, we're going to catch it there. Torch it here. Okay, we're going to catch it right there. Move it around, covering up some of this canvas as much as we can. Going around, pushing it all the way up to that edge without going over, bringing it over and down. Watching it, just kind of watching that bottom. I'm really liking the bottom. I'm hoping I can keep that effect there. Losing that over. Pulling it back. And we'll bring this side up. Over, back to the middle here. These are beautiful colors. Beautiful combination. See if we can get that corner down and over and back. Seeing this gorgeous effect here, I don't want to mess with that. I actually would rather work on this side. Bringing this over and off. There we go. We'll set that down for a second. Beautiful. We'll work on some of this here in the corner. We'll have to keep this black area here without losing that design. Super pretty. Let's do it. Smoothing it over and down, back into the middle. Get that wine colored effect with the black coming through it. That's nice. Let's see if we can get some more of this off. Okay. And on that corner edge at the top, move that over a little more. Bringing those colors in, over, really putting some detail into that curve, pulling it over. Beautiful colors, look at that. Let's see if we can get it all the way over that edge. All right, great. And we'll come back to the middle. All right, we are going to set this look all down. It's heavy. And look around, see where we've got coverage. We can tap corners. Need a little black here on this side. That is beautiful. Wow, whew, it was heavy. See what we can do to fill in our comp area here. Maybe able to put some black in here. Just a little more black on the edge over on this side. Let that run off the edge. Some here. Oops. That run off the edge. And we will tap this out with black. That is so beautiful. It's so much fun to play with the abstract design. It's always going to be unique, giving us something we definitely love and hopefully can enjoy. I'm loving the way the colors blended together here, and left for this side to be open. I'm going to take my Panabrand stick around, pulling out toward me rather than straight down as you wipe. To keep from streaking up that, pull it out towards you. These colors and the cells that it's creating are just amazing. What we have on this end is likewise truly amazing. Now I am going to show you I'm wiping out, pulling out, pull out toward me rather than straight down to keep from streaking up the paint underneath. I'm going to go ahead and release these cups so that this can come to a level rest. And we have a beautiful painting there. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Let's take a look around and see if there's anything we want to make adjustments to. We look. Looking. I'm liking it, and I'm liking the effects that we're getting here. And love this very abstract piece section of it here. So need to take this and put a little black on that finger touch. But that is quite unique. We can move this down, really blending that in. All right. Beautiful. Again, always wiping underneath, but moving it towards you rather than straight across. Keep it from streaking up your colors underneath the bottom of the canvas. Okay, well, that was beautiful. I'm loving that lacing that it's been created by the satin enamel, sort of a cloud-like effect in there. You've got a little bit of it here. It's beautiful. It's just fading in with a little gray, making it look like it's really golden and copper. Just so pretty. Really, really pleased with this one. All right, my friends, let's do a close-up and you can see what we have close up. Hold on. It's close-up time, everyone. Here we have our 15 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas in which we have done an abstract design on, and as you can see, we've got some beautiful shiny colors on here. The gold and the copper and all of that mixed with the black, along with the Master's Touch Pearlized wine, red wine, pearl copper gold, the Satin Enamel by DecoArt. We have the Liquitex Basics gold. You can see that shimmery gold and lots of cells here coming through. Look at those cells. Unique. Very unique as they come through here. So very special and pretty. Look at the colors there. So you can focus that copper. The shimmer and shine of that copper. Wonderful. And again, the merging of these colors together with cells and lacing throughout is just really spectacular. Sort of a sunrise type coloring here. So going through, here's some of that lacing as a result of the satin enamel coming through and all the way up to the edge here. And I'm loving this special effects we have here, where these colors just meet together, as you can see there in that formation of striations there. And they come down and we got them curving around all the way over to the edge here, giving us that special effect on the end. Sides look lovely as well. You're able to get it to come down. And bringing these all the way around. You can see from that side how it looks. From this side how it looks. And from this side how this looks. As well as from this side how it looks. Just beautiful. All right, guys, that's it. 15 by 30 inch canvas with an abstract design that I am absolutely loving. Let me know what you think in the comments. Again, we appreciate the feedback always, and we appreciate all of your support. So stay with us until the next video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye now.